40 Troyer's now leave. Portion Rock is not Troyer. Basically, that's Red Troyer. Let's go. That's the Red Troyer ECS train. So the one which is Peterborough. It's going towards the Red Hill Pass. Oh no! So, passport sub and service to Red Hill. Where's my minute early? Oh, hang on. Oh, it's approaching now. Yeah, Southern Service to Red Hill Pass by. Where's about a minute early? We'll pass 377s. 3 coaches. 377 301. What's that minute early? Seven hundred 117 to Peterborough. To Peterborough. Peterborough. To Peterborough to train approaches. 3% 090 voltage units, pulse from Buckler Regis. Oh, rear, what's the rear? Yeah, 377135. See the train departs.
Film for the window, but be careful that man, please don't get in his way.
Sorry.
You're alright.
Stay, that's fine, because you're out of the way, that's fine. I mean, you're below the
Oh.
If you stay like that, he's fine, you can get a bit.
Oh, Barney's going.
Why don't you do that window, go on.
Keep it put. Where's the jumper?
1.6.
Do put the heating, please, make it warm. Oh, yeah, 377 377 135 to the back.
You're not one more. It's not cool, Joy. You jump off.
It's going slowly, fuck.
On Saturday until 0700 on Sunday, some services that run from London Victoria will be diverted and terminate at Red Hill. Buses will replace trains between Red Hill, Gatwick Airport and Three Bridges, and an amended train service will run between Gatwick Airport and Brighton. Additionally, services before 07:15 on Sunday will be diverted via Hove. Southern and Gatwick Express services will run to an amended timetable all day on Sunday only. There will be no Thameslink services on Sunday between midnight 39 and 08:15 between Red Hill and Brighton. Until 06:50 on Sunday morning, there will be a limited Thameslink service between Gatwick Airport and Hayward with a replacement bus service between Hayward and Brighton. For more information, see station posters or visit southernrailway.com or the Southern.
Southern Railway. Southern Railway.
Stop a bit, that's a bit, we'll sit down a bit.
Southernrailway.com.
But we don't eat chocolate and come sit over it.
Southernrailway.com. Oh, it's this. Oh, this way, yeah, it's 701 to 07 to Brighton from Cambridge. About 56 minutes to get that train. We're down to 30. To the butts. Oh, about 13:23 is cancelled, as I checked it. 5 coaches? Yeah. Alright, we have 3 bridges. The right mainly by Southern turns to Gatwick Express and some freight as well. Oh, it's Southern. Your hands stand back. Your hands stand back. 3 to the 4 towards the 7. 134! Oh, and now he's having some of the brightness really. You see, 10 cents. Oh. 10 cents.
On the train in about 10 minutes.
12.
Right, so
12 minutes. Oh, platform 1.
go inside, shall we?
There it is, she's at a corner. Oh, 701.16. You go outside the box. Here's your box. There was attempt first.
The train now approaches platform 4. Does not stop here. Please stand well.
Do you take numbers the UGX one? 2024? Oh, present 123. Three 402 and 377 162. What, 8 coaches? What, 8 coaches? What? What did you buy a jumper for? A hoodie?
You asked me to put it in.
Now, past 5 summer sales, ready to bronze, was about 5 minutes early. Now, what did I class 377s? The 3 car, what? 3 coaches. 377, 315. It's on the road.com. 377, 330, past bronze, was about 5 minutes early. 5 minutes early. Now, oh my god. Past 5 throw train. Came to Langley reception side, was about 3 minutes early. Went by 66797. Beacon. That pre-summer service was about 5 minutes early. 17. And it's Cambridge, and it's Bedford coming.
Bedford via London Bridge.
39 1 10 6 7 2 Bedford. What number is it? Yeah. Oh, it's on our shoelace again. Our shoelace. Okay. Is that a new livery? Oh, 701.41. 44 minutes. 44 minutes.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 64016. We'll sort it.
Just the window, balance it on the window lid.
Sorted.
Is there enough fish over? 43 minutes. 42 minutes. 42 minutes.
Platform 3.
Tempting was cancelled.
The 1323 Thameslink service to Horsham has been cancelled.
GX, do you take GX numbers? Oh, Freedom 205 and 204, Eastbourne. Huh?
Again, any passengers on platform number 1 showing away to the
377
Victoria service, please be advised the train
Hmm?
Sounds trying to get a vehicle to go to Brighton, isn't it?
Do you want a real number?
That's platform number
Sounds
2.
215. Oh, no, that's normal. Oh, it's 215. No, it's not. Oh, no, it's not. It's 215.
What's the sound train?
216. That's 215.
I'm not sure we've got.
No, it's 215. It's only shorter one. There's only shorter version of the train.
Well, I'm not sure. I thought it was that one, but it's not that
Additionally, services before 07:15 on Sunday.
Oh!
Get in there. Start here, please.
Checking your numbers. Northbound.
Saturday the 21st and Sunday
It's got a 387. 387.
place across our network. From 23:45 on Saturday until 0700 on Sunday, Southern services that run from London Victoria will be diverted
203. 387.
between Redhill, Gatwick Airport and Three Bridges, and an amended train service will run between Gatwick Airport and Brighton. Additionally, services before 07:15 on Sunday will be diverted via Hove. Southern Gatwick Express
Northbound.
will
Street X.
no taxi services on Sunday between midnight 35 and 08:15.
5 here, which is 215.
Yeah. There's GX. This is Gatwick Airport. This is Brighton 1. Yeah.
That's what it's right down now.
So I'm 70% now. Perfect.
But you should get them both together.
Saturday the 21st and Sunday the 22nd February.
Is this cable charging?
Place across our network. From 23:45 on Saturday until 07.
40 minutes to our train.
Services that run
Oh, present 203. Aw. And 225 is the. Oh, bit clean.
Additionally,
It's not
services
clean.
before 07.
Southernrailway.com. It is the Gatwick Express bound to Brighton from London Victoria. 3872. Oh, is it the numbers? There it is. 3872. 387215. Oh, yes. We'll see again. Oh, that's been busy, that Southern service. That was Victoria one. That was busy, that one. And each train and each carriage. Yeah, 377, 140, 151 London Victoria from Walsworth and Bognor Regis.
10
Cambridge.
service to Cambridge via London.
Just at number to Cambridge. Just at number Cambridge. Oh, yes.
London Bridge, London Blackfriars,
Yes.
City Thameslink, Farringdon, London St Pancras International, Finsbury Park, Stevenage, Hitchin, Letchworth, Garden
It's approaching in 21 minutes.
Morden, Royston and Cambridge. This train is formed of 12 coaches. Please note, some of the lifts
Do you want to check number 700 yours? Are you time trains?
currently out of service.
Oh, 726.
Remembrance done. If you
Cambridge and Brighton. From Brighton to Cambridge.
126, yeah?
Yes, that's 700. That 377 left to South Eastern. And you're in 38126 came from Great Northern.
The Brighton train to the right one, back 45.
Do you check the other one?
That one,
Bedford.
104.
Uh,
On the other side.
we'll get the Cambridge leaving. Oh, 700. Oh, 700 044. That's an 8 coach. It's only 8 coach to borrow in. 700 104 to Brighton for Bedford. Oh, what? Oh, 1415, sorry, it's not 1414. 1415, not 1414.
But yeah, we're not getting that one. No. But if that one comes in, so there'll be 5 platforms and 5 trains.
Hold on, what? 1415, not 1414. Oh, 1415, you're right, not 1414.
Come here.
What?
Come here. Look.
No, on
I
4.
was talking to Josh about that train.
Not this one.
No, we're not getting on it. I was talking to you about it.
On first. Oh. 700. Oh, 701. I thought 716 for Cambridge. Said both of them from Brighton parts. There she goes now.
Not quite 5 trains, 5 platforms. I'll pay them for that, but this one.
5? Oh, it's going now.
5 trains, 4.
Yeah.
700 104. Huh? To Brighton from Bedford. The other one's going to Cambridge. Oh, the Peterborough's on platform 1.
No, sure. Yeah, something like that.
Do you want that number in your time trains? Give me a check.
Peterborough 1.
Yeah. 13. 1, 2 out, 1 out, 2 minutes early. Good check. Yours? 70108 to Peterborough from Horsham.
And Governor Regis. Calling at Crawley and Horsham.
From the window.
Chichester, Southall, Emsworth, Haddon, Hilsea, Bratton, Portsmouth and Southsea, and Portsmouth Harbour should travel in the front 4 coaches of the train. Passengers for Christ's Hospital, Billingshurst, Pulborough, Amberley,
377412.
and Governor Regis should travel in their 4 coaches of the train.
31 minutes of our train. 31 minutes.
If you don't shout at me.
Okay, one more.
'Cause I'm getting out now.
Yeah.
It's quite late for something. We should have been going out. We shouldn't say something. You made the most of it, the best we could.
Yeah.
Oh, Georgia, that's Georgia. In the all train is in 12
Yeah. Yeah.
Georgia, at the back half, it was 377 446 146. Damn, that's from back from front. 700 119. It's coming in now. 59 twos or ones. It's 59 twos, ones or zeros.
Go where?
Where's the time at Corey Freight though? 69 levels max speed. 34 was cancelled. 10 minutes.
I've got very now.
8 minutes. Ready, Josh? Hold it. Oh no! I want to see Frozen Freezers of combo again. That's I want to see it in Monday. We are also less at Soulhost. Oh, that Cambridge going. No, that is Peterborough. Oh, 70114 terminates here for Peterborough. Was cancelled to Horsham. We'll check your time frames.
We are sorry, but the train on platform 3 has now terminated here. Passengers for Crawley, your next bus
Crawley.
direct service is now expected to be
Crawley.
13:44 to Portsmouth Harbour, departing from platform 3. This train is currently between Selhurst and East Croydon.
Selhurst.
All change, please, all change. Train on platform 3 is terminated here. Anyone wish to travel towards Horsham, please just remain where you are on platform number 3. The next available service for Crawley and Horsham will be our 1344 Portsmouth Harbour Bolton Regis service.
No accessible toilets. That's the third one.
It will be the 1350.
Oh, hello. Oh, 377472 and 377469. One about 5 minutes early.
Passengers for Crawley and 444 Portsmouth Harbour Bolton Regis service. Any passengers for Highfield and Little Haven, your next available service is the 1353 Thames Link service to Horsham.
That's actually.
Or GX.
No, it's 306 233. No, you're right. So it's fresh, but no, this one.
It's a C2C.
Going to Victoria.
From each one.
The train now approaching platform 4 does not stop here.
Wonderful.
Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 4.
387 306. And 387 223. From Eastbourne to London Victoria. Was pass by? Yes. 377 426 to Hampshire. And 377 Waterloo Trading.
Straight up, mate, yeah.
There you go. Now,
Hey?
your sales record now on time. That's around by 5 bars.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, 377 163. Do you want a back half? Back half, please. 377 107.
Yeah.
You set the back half for 377. Go to Hampton to Victoria. That was cancelled. I was cancelled. Freight train approaching. No pass by, it's a freight train. From Westwood Tower to Crawley Freight Yard was about a minute early. And then the one was class 59s. Diesel locomotives. HIA? No. We've got class 59s. And the class the 387 passed by soon. Fifty-nine 205. 59 205. There's a 377 there. Oh, 387. 19. I'll keep recording. Stage approaches. And then 701 414 ECS to the depot. It was cancelled to Horsham. Oh, hang on, we'll keep recording. Got a 387 passed by. For London Victoria to Orr. Front hub is a Gatwick Express. 387 213. It's clean. And next Great Orr, 387 128. Yeah. Yeah, don't move. Don't move. I'll go with can I borrow your phone in real-time trains, please? Oh, 700 138. Huh? Can I borrow your phone in real-time trains, please? Where's the phone? Don't move. Stay on the floor. My train's about 12 minutes.
Oh, is it?
About 44, it's about 12 minutes.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, it's 12 minutes.
yeah. Well,
11 minutes.
Horsham train.
About 5, it's like the second one that's not accessible toilets.
Yeah, I know,
Oh, that's the second one does, yeah. 377 1417. Driver Victoria from Belfast to Portsmouth. So the rear 377 is 377 435. Seven one. 1 for that, 131, 767 is 2 Bedford. What's per minute like? 3 means like. Yeah, platform 4. Now. You're fine. Mm. Mm.
The train now approaching
There we go.
the does not stop here.
Can you check numbers in real-time trains? Can you check numbers of real-time trains for that train passing? The 3 Electro Star.
Yeah, but which one? What time? Talk to them.
The 387.
Yeah, but what time?
It was Brighton to Victoria. 13:34 was about a minute late. Can you more storage spaces? Is storage space running out? That's a minute late. Oh, hello, 30201! 30173. Oh, wow, that stop's rubbed out.
Where are we going?
Brighton to Victoria was about a minute late. 2 minutes late, 2 minutes late. I suddenly.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, yes. Oh, once the 3 stops are rubbed out. No, so if we Great Northern. That's the first number. Cambridge. Do you want to get the first number? It's 701, 300. Yeah, the Bedford's one. Ah, 701.53. I checked it. Yeah, that's perfect. Oh, hello. Both of Bedford and Cambridge. Brighton and Cambridge. That's from Brighton, yeah, that's from Bedford. Southbound and northbound service. Oh, yes. Our train's about 6 minutes.
Yeah.
I'll take one more home, man. Get the window properly then.
The 3040 Thames Exhibits to Brighton is leaving now.
Yeah, I've got that. Yeah.
Our train's in 4 minutes.
Yeah, I'll get that video in a minute. That picture.
And I want the first class seat home. That's how I want to do that. As I want the first class seat home.
No, you can't.
I will. 13 days?
No, you're being 13 days, but not today.
No, it's 12 days.
Yeah, but not today.
I want to do it again this time. And then the other sub is to Cambridge. Oh, hello. Peterborough. Do you take Peterborough on any real-time trains? Oh, you're straight to Peterborough real-time trains?
You can film that train or not?
Oh, check Peterborough one first. Oh, check Peterborough now. 70116 return to Peterborough from Horsham. Now arriving terminating Thames service from Bedford. And then one of those 12 car areas. Hang on. Oh, yes, 12 car, yeah. London Bridge, lifts. Bedford terminating for Bedford. Huh? Oh,
It's on the radio, sir.
in a minute.
Been on the radio.
70128. Do it for me.
Give me. Oh.
There we go. Thank you. Oh, hang on, excuse me, not allowed on the station.
Alright, they'll carry it, aren't they? Just leave them alone.
I want to get my house and my bike with it.
I'll take another day, alright?
It's Monday.
We've got a train coming in now, alright?
There's our train. Oh, and there's the...
And Portsmouth Harbour should travel with the front 4 coaches of the train.
Stop it.
Passengers for Christ's Hospital,
You're right there, Jess.
Gateshurst, Pulborough,
We made the
Albany,
best of a bad day, didn't we?
Yeah.
We got there in the end, didn't we?
It will
should
get
travel in the
hard.
rear 4
Yeah,
coaches of the
we
train.
had a bad day, but we didn't do too bad. We ran a nice and fun. We managed to do a bit more, didn't we?
Oh, Prism 210 again.
Don't shout.
Oh, Prism 210 again. It's returning. It's returning again. It's 201 to the back. Let me check. Oh, okay. 201. Coach 5 door 1. Coach 5 door 1. Coach 5 door 1. welcome to class 3772s. 210-201. I'm choosing this rear unit. So next station is Horsham, with a split arrives to 4 cars shorter. Huh?
Welcome aboard the Southern service to Portsmouth Harbour and Bognor Regis. The next station is Horsham.
Oh no!
This is coach number 5 of 8.
We're in coach 5. You okay? You okay? Yeah? Sorry. Okay. Fuck. Yeah, I choose the rear unit. You okay? I choose the rear unit because I could have choose the front and choose the rear unit. Yeah? I'm going to start in 3 weeks. I'm going to start in 3 weeks. Huh? Didn't respond. Oh. Huh? Yeah, you can go to yours shortly. In next hour. So this is declassified first class. So we're going to sit in bed 12 days ago. Yes, Kat. Okay, Mum, can you get still stand with me, please? For guys 5 to 1. So nice to start. See you in a bit. Okay, see you in a minute.
We are now approaching Horsham, where the train will divide. Coaches 1 to 4 will continue to Portsmouth Harbour. Coaches 5 to 8 will continue to Bognor Regis. Please ensure you are travelling in the correct part of the train. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is coach number 5 of 8.
And 474.
So once again, this station is Horsham. Firstly, if you're leaving the train, mind the step on the gap to the platform. Please ensure to take all your personal items with you. At this station, this train will divide. Carriages 1, 2, 3 and 4 is your Portsmouth service, which will depart first, with the first couple of stations being Barnham and Chichester. So once again, that's carriages 1, 2, 3 and 4. Carriages 5, 6, 7 and 8 is your stopping service to Bognor Regis, calling at Christ Hospital, Billingshurst, Pulborough, Amberley, Arundel, Ford, Barnham and Bognor Regis. If you're unsure where you are on the train, step onto the platform, ask any member of staff for assistance. Once again, carriages 1 through to 4 will depart first once the train has been divided, with the first stations being Barnham and Chichester, and that's your Portsmouth Harbour service. Once again, the station is Horsham.
Hey! Hey! Sorry, I mean, so we couldn't go to Sutton. We'll do it in 3 weeks. See you later.